Quick introduction of pricing of bill of quantities, using IT Vision Enterprise QS Solutions 7.0, with Roofmaster 1.0 building estimating software. SMM7 edition, for developing countries. The QS Solutions 7.0 with Roofmaster 1.0 is a building estimating software designed to assist 1. The construction professionals such as the quantity surveyor, that is the QS, the engineer, the architect, the estate manager and the like, in their professional estimating duties. 2. The non-construction professionals such as the planning officer, the budget officer, the administrators and the like, to perform some basic tasks otherwise performed by the quantity surveyor. The QS Solutions 7.0 with Roofmaster 1.0 is made up of the following integrated software for performing various functions. 1. The Estimator 7.0. 2. The Roofmaster 1.0. 3. Units Converter 7.0. 4. Notes on relevant topics. 5. Local games and quiz. 1. Estimator 7.0. The Estimator 7.0 is A. For quickly building up estimating rates. These are the rates used in the pricing of a bill of quantities. B. For performing estimating rates analysis or rates justification. Rate analysis is performed on an estimating rate to determine the correctness of the rate. That is, whether the rate is overestimated or underestimated. C. For the preparation of material, labor and plant schedule. That is the quantities of materials, labor or plants needed to execute a particular work described in the bill of quantities and units that can be understood by the layman, where possible, such as gallons, bags, packets etc. instead of in linear meter, square meter, cubic meter 3 etc. Data inputs. There are 28 interconnected input forms functioned after the structure of SMM7 for inputting data for building up estimating rates and performing rate analysis. Below are the data that are inputted into a typical form. 1. The cost of materials. 2. Daily wages of the various artisans. 3. The cost of hiring plants and 4. The desired overheads and profit. Ben displayed are some of the input forms. As an illustration, we shall select the item E and C to concrete large precast concrete from the list box captioned titles of general rules in the item E10. Mixing casting curing of C to concrete from the list box caption subtitle of general rules. The input form caption E10. Mixing casting curing of C to concrete appears. We shall enter the required data, save the data and exit the input form. Estimating rates. The estimating rates for items under E10. Mixing casting curing of C to concrete are generated as follows. The QS Solutions 7.0 with Roofmaster 1.0 software is used to generate over 500 estimating rates. Rate analysis. Performing rate analysis for some items under E10. Mixing casting curing of C to concrete. Material schedule. Perform material schedule for some items under E10. Mixing casting curing of C to concrete. 2. Roofmaster 1.0. The functions of the Roofmaster 1.0 are, a. For accurately estimating quantities of roofing elements of all roofs, simple and complex, from drawings or measurements taken on site, such as eaves, ridges, valleys, verges, or gables, hips, surface areas, and also slopes of roofs, height of roofs, quantities of roofing sheets, panelets and tiles. B. An aid for the design of roofs. C. Tools, roof calculator, taking off assistant. Memories, setting of roof specifications. To start using the Roofmaster 1.0, the roof specifications are set up. Roof calculator. The roof calculator is used to compute the number of roofing sheet and tiles per the set roof specifications. Taking off assistant. The taking off assistant is used to compute the area of roofing sheets from taking off values. The roof calculator can be accessed from the taking off assistant. Determination of quantities of roofing elements. The interface displayed is used to determine the quantities of roofing elements for all plain roofs, simple and complex. All roofs can be broken down into the elements displayed from Unit 1 to Unit 16. By knocking down the required complex roof into units labeled Unit 1 to Unit 16, the roofing elements of the required roof can be computed. Computing the quantities of roofing elements for a simple hip roof. Memories. Memories is used to save computed values in the software. Browsing through some few roofing units. Three. Unit Converter 6.0a. Inbuilt mechanism for conversion of units in linear measure, square measure, surface measure, cubic measure, capacity measure, cubic capacity, weights, and also affixes. B. Aid for interactive use of common engineering maturation formulae for plane surfaces. Volumes. C. Triangular solutions. Used in the computations of sides and angles of triangles. Four. Notes. There are notes on selected topic related to building estimating. Thanks for watching this video.